because there are total is about 87 cases that we have gone through already, but 55 have been deemed na kailangan we deem that there's a violation, so we're asking them to answer. So in Mandaluyong, Manila, Parañaque, Pasay City, Mandaluyong 2, Manila City 2, Parañaque 3, Pasay City 4, Pasig 5, Quezon City 6, and Taguig City 4. That's a total of 26 gas stations in Metro Manila. And that's Metro Manila, which is the most urban city that we have. We are still collating more information in the rest of the country, but the rest would be outside of Metro Manila, out of the 54. So more than kalahati po, mga Manila gas stations pa ang nagbabiolate. So we do appreciate the reporting. We need all the information we can get. We are just overwhelmed with the volume, but we are trying to streamline the reporting process.